Hi, this is the instructional video for the Perlesmith TV stand with tempered glass base. This TV stand can fit TVs from 37 inches to 55 inches in size. It also holds up to 88 pounds. So let's get started. Okay, now let's unpack. First we have the easy to follow instruction manual. Next up we have all the required accessories and hardware. After that we have the TV plate and two TV support brackets. Next up we have the TV support column. And last but not least we have the tempered glass base. So step one, you want to turn over your glass base and you want to stick on the foot pads. So you should have 4 foot pads. So stick in each corner. Next we have the support column. We have 3 different height levels for the TV, and also here the 2 holes are for the cable management. So next you want to take your plastic cover and place it under the TV base to match the 3 holes. Then you want to turn your support column upside down and fit it onto the base. Then you want to get your metal and paper spacer and place it over the 3 holes on the bottom. Then take your M6 by 25 screws. You should have 3 of these, and we're going to start to screw into the base and into the support column. There is an Allen key that you can use to tighten them securely. Next, you want to get your plastic cover and place it on top of the support column like this and just clip it in. Then you want to get your 2 cable management clips and place them in the 2 holes at the back, like this. Next, we have the TV plate. Now the TV plate can be positioned in 3 different heights, like this. So 1, 2, and 3. So then you want to get your M6 by 40 bolt and place one of the washers on top. Next you want to align the TV plate with the holes on the support mount. Place it into the required hole. Then you want to get your nut and slowly tighten each screw. Next you want to take your Allen key and place it in the flathead at the front of the TV mount. Then you want to get a wrench at the back to hold the bolt in place and securely tighten. Alright, so then you want to choose the correct diameter screw and washer set that fits your TV. Next you want to get the washers and place them on the holes on the back of the TV. And then get the TV bracket placed on top. Then we have the 2 washers, so you want to place over the holes. And then we have our screws that fit. So you want to place them in. Then we can use a screwdriver to tighten securely. Then we can use the cable management clips to keep your cords and wires organized and tidy.